for lunch? Peanut butter what?
Peanut butter sandwich.
What is a sandwich?
It's called sandwich.
What? Say it again for me. Sandwich. Say it again.
Sandwich.
So you want a peanut butter sandwich. I don't know what a sandwich is.
It's a sandwich. It's a sandwich. It's a sandwich.
And what do you put on it?
Cheese.
Cheese. And what else?
Grilled cheese.
Oh, you want a grilled cheese. I thought you wanted peanut butter.
No, grilled cheese with peanut butter and jelly
And flies.
and butter.
And bees.
No.
And ants.
No.
And spiders.
No.
You want a peanut butter and ant sandwich.
No.
You want a peanut butter and spider sandwich.
No. Oh, it's spider sandwich. Spider sandwich.
What is a sandwich?
Peanut butter sandwich with grilled cheese and butter.
Is that what a sandwich is?
Yeah.
I've never made a sandwich before.
You did?
Who's made you sandwiches before?
You.
Me? I don't remember ever making you sandwiches.
Sandwich.
Because I don't know what a sandwich is.